Hi and welcome back once again to Dacty for Use channel. I hope you are all doing great and you guys are staying safe, staying at home, protecting yourself and protecting others. Yeah, this will go away. It will go away. I know it's not going to be there forever, but we just need to be careful, take care of ourselves, and then think of others. This is not a time to be selfish. So guys, today I don't want to talk too much. I'm going to share with you guys how I make this delicious and nutritious beetroot wet donut, bofrot, puff, whatever that you call it. Guys, just look at it. It's so beautiful and so nutritious. As we are locked down, we need to just have fun doing some things and need to like create new recipes. So you know me, I always want to do something a little bit crazy new. I like to like experiment with things a little bit, and guys, I'm telling you, this was yummy. It's not like your everyday bofrot or puff, like it's simple, yummy. Just look at it, just look at the color, guys. I know you are going to love it. So let me just go ahead and then let's get into this recipe. So here I have my flour. What I have here, I have about 3.5 cups of flour, and I just added in nutmeg and added in sugar. I added about like 3/4 cup of sugar. I don't really love sugar, so it depends. You can add more if you want it so sweet. And I added in 2 tablespoons of yeast, and then salt to it, and then I mixed everything together. I will leave everything that I use in the descriptive box below. What I just added is my beetroot puree. So I washed and then peel off the beetroot, and I blended it very smooth to get the puree. So now I just mixed the puree, and I'm going to add in water. So the water is from like, I rinse the blender and everything, and then I'm adding in the water. Then I added the water little by little, but the water that I'm using is warm water. Yeah, I added warm water to rinse the blender. Then you mix it, you add the water little by little. It's good to do it that way, so that you see when you add too much water and then it becomes too watery, that you don't like to be difficult to maybe add some flour again, and then get the texture and the smoothness that you are looking for. So I added the water little by little, and now look at it, it's all done. Now it's all done. Try as much as possible to get your dough very smooth. You don't want donut or bofrot that have some lumps in it. So here it's all done. I cleaned my bowl, and then I covered it with some wrap. If your bowl has a cover, you can use it to cover it. So I just covered this, and then I set it aside. Actually, I kept mine overnight, because when I was doing this, guys, it was around 3 a.m. in the morning. Let's say getting to 3 a.m. in the morning, because that day I couldn't sleep. So I left it from 3 a.m. till the next day, like the 8 a.m. in the morning. So it was about 5 hours that I left it, and guys, just look at it. So this is how it's looking like after in the morning, and I'm trying to just let the air out of it. Just look at it. So here my oil is ready, and then we are ready to fry it. Yeah, so when the oil is hot, and then you see that your flour or your dough, it's good, when you put it in, within some seconds you see that the bofrot or the puff will be like rising up, and then they will be swimming against each other up. Just look at it. You see, it just comes up like that. So that shows that your dough is good and you're going to get a nice end result, guys. And this was so yummy. So you just scoop it and then you drop it in between your thumb and your index finger. That is how you do it. So you scoop in your hands, then you drop in between your thumb and your index finger. Like, depend how big you want it. But guys, just look at this, they are just coming up. And the funny part was that this thing, like, the dough came out so good. So I think the longer maybe you keep the dough, the better. The longer you keep the dough, the better. You have to keep it for no less than maybe 1 hour. Yeah, because I haven't kept my dough less than 1 hour before. It's like 1 hour, 2 hours, and I kept this for 5 hours. And guys, I loved what I got. I love the end result. So that shows that, you see, back home in Ghana, when the those women that sell this thing outside, they always mix it and keep it overnight, and then in the morning they will fry. You see, so you just cook small amount and then it will just enlarge itself. And this thing was just like swimming by themselves, turning by themselves in the oil. So here it is, guys. So we are just frying it. Don't fry it on a high heat. Your heat should be on a medium heat, and try as much as possible to turn it as much as you can. You see, they are fighting with me. They don't want to turn. If I turn it, they say no, I don't want to face this side, I want to face God. So they don't want to turn. But you know, like, it came out nice. So just look at it, guys. It's so nice. You see, so when you just touch it and then it comes back up, like, you know that your bofrot is ready. So here it was all ready, and guys, oh god, it was so soft. And now I trying to say trying and casa, and I loved it. My kids love it. The color was so good. Dacty was like, hey mommy, this is like uh burgundy burgundy donut. It looks like burgundy. I said yes, it's burgundy donut. Said what? How did you do this? So guys, just look at it. I'm going to open one and just look at it. Just look at it. So this is it. It's all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I will leave everything that I use in the descriptive box below, so you can check there for everything that I used. I hope you try this, and I know you're going to love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Look at that twin bofrot right there. They are twins.